I'm working on a new project. It's about 3/4 done. As soon as I get it totally completed, I'll show how it all works. But as you can see, I have a whole bunch of these little plastic squares. They started off like this. I'd put it over here. And then I use a needle with worsted weight yarn, which all of us have oodles of. And once it's finished, this is what we're going to have. Baby blocks. And what I do is as I sew them together, I will put a jingle bell inside. That way when you shake them, they will rattle. This is just my little intro to show you what I'm working on. It's going to be a little bit more time. I'm still shy several of these squares to be able to actually finish them. And until I get all 26 letters done, I really can't put them together because I have a way of doing it which is kind of nice, especially for each individual family, because it gives them a little bit of a personal touch. So keep a lookout for it. Hopefully it won't be too long. I'm getting close. I just wanted to let everybody know that there's something new on the horizon coming from Stitch Knit. And I wanted to thank everybody for watching, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it when the full video is put out there. Have a good day. I did this original pattern in 2001, and it took me 3 days to find it. As I'm making these things, I've noticed some of them are not quite a good color combination, like the elephant here, and the heart is kind of oversized and the letter H is kind of small. So I'm going ahead and putting it out there as it is, and when I make the adjustments, I will resubmit the pattern, and I'll keep track of everybody's email address who has purchased the pattern so they can make them. And once I get all the adjustments done, there's only maybe 4 letters that I really like to adjust, or the color combinations, and I will send it on to them. Now, you don't have to use the same color combinations I did. Like this one here, I think it would have looked better if I had used the darker shade of blue. It really made the rocket stand out a little bit better. And instead of using pink on the elephant, maybe green or maybe a light blue or something. Or I can go bright with the yellow. The colors are your choice. You don't have to use the same colors I used. I'm just following my original pattern just to see what they originally look like. And I will show you how I put them together. And don't forget the jingle bell. That's what makes them little blocks. And I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. There's more to come. So just hang in there.